May lotus. Yes, tea lang tayo today. Ginger tea. Ginger tea na may pasili-sili. Come on. He's always nice to us.
Mà đây,
What, Chen?
không mẹ.
Na, ito pala yung nakuha. So, 30,000 doon. Clean. We just went to see the friend, return the key. Key for the it's so nice place actually, very nice. It's a vegan restaurant. So now we're gonna cross now.
Did you put my helmet on?
This is Camden on the couch.
Nice. Wow,
Surrounded by bush.
it's open house.
Look,
Wow, really nice.
nice ka?
Yeah.
Dito lang.
Do it again. Yeah. Do it again. So yes, nata sa may chicken, at fried chicken. I don't know. It's like I think it's like a Korean place. They serve this. It's a cabbage with again with mayonnaise, and then this is radish. I think. I like radish. Yes. So nandito na yung first order natin, takoyaki. May pa-egg, quail egg. Siya guys. This one is like, I think this is fried chicken with onion cream. This one is cream cheese. I think this one is, I don't know. It's almost same. Sa chicken siya lahat. Mas masarap pa siya sa Chicken Joy ng Jollibee. Danang. Maybe chicken garlic. Cool. Nakalimutan nila ang rice ni Baby Morena. So, Baby Morena will ask them the rice. What?